Hey, my friend Daniel here. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're diving straight into the myEcon compensation plan and specifically what makes it so good and what makes it so powerful. Well, the good news is this is going to be a short and sweet video because the myEcon compensation plan is so easy to understand. It can literally fit right here on one page in a few bullet points, and I'm going to break it down even more simple than you see it on here so you can understand it, how you get paid, when you get paid, what type of commissions can you make, all of that right here in this video. So let's dive in. First off, there are three different levels to start your myEcon journey: $19.95, $39.95, or $99.95. All three levels to join under $100, which is a low ticket, awesome opportunity that's not going to break the bank. And with that, on those three levels, you can get a $15 commission, $35 commission, or $70 commission. Now, these are instant commissions, meaning the commission happens right then and there. You can see the sale in your back office, and you literally get paid the following Friday. Really simple, really easy to understand. So those instant commissions are about a 70% instant commission the day that somebody joins. Now, when your team starts to build and grow, you not only get paid the day that they join, but you also get paid every single month when they renew. So depending on the leadership rank that you are at, you're going to get between $1 and $13 the day that someone joins. So if you sponsor Bob and Bob sponsors Sue, Sue is now on your second level. From your second level down through infinity, depending on your rank, you can get paid between $1 and $13, not only the day that they join, but also every single month when they renew. You see how easy it is to figure that out? It doesn't take any complex graphs. It doesn't take multiple pages on a compensation plan document. It's all right here, easy for you to see and understand. So you get 70% commissions the day that you get a sale and that person joins. And you also get from your second level down through infinity, depending on your rank, you can get between $1 and $13 the day they join and every single month when they renew, which averages out to be about 23%. So really simple, really and easy to understand. That is the myEcon compensation plan in a nutshell. That's it. Super short, super sweet. And the best part is, my friend, this pay plan pays down through infinity, meaning there are absolutely no caps on your income. You can make as much or as little income as you would like. This isn't one of those programs like a 3x12 matrix or a 2x12 matrix, meaning once people fall outside of your matrix, you no longer get monthly residuals on those people. No, you can get monthly residuals on every single person on your team down to infinity. I want you to realize how powerful of a compensation that plan is. No one falls outside of your team organization. This is a true transactional compensation plan, meaning anytime a transaction happens, you are earning from that transaction. And it doesn't get any better than that. And then lastly, just to sum it up, myEcon is a legitimate, certified, accredited business with the Better Business Bureau, and they pay you via direct deposit every single Friday. This isn't one of those companies that makes you set up a Stripe account. You don't have to pay anybody directly. They don't use WhatsApp. They don't use PayPal. They don't use Cash App. None of those third-party softwares. No, they're going to pay you direct to your bank. And in order to even set that up, you have to supply a routing number and a checking account number, and also submit a valid copy of your driver's license. This is 100% legit, my friend, because myEcon has been around for almost 20 years in the industry, and they are just proof in the pudding that their products and services and compensation plan are the best. Hope you got value from this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel and you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Be sure to ring the bell and get notified anytime I'm uploading new content about myEcon or anything to do with making money online. Thank you for watching, my friend. If you have any questions at all, I left my phone number right here at the top of this video. Send me a text message, ask me anything. Plain and simple, this is the best compensation plan on the planet right now if you are looking to make money and especially build a team online right now. Link in the description down below if you're ready to get started, or reach out and ask me anything. Thank you for watching, my friend. I'll see you on the next one.